Hello students, I welcome you all to my class. Students, as you know that we are doing chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable, in which we are dealing with the word problems of exercise 2.4. Today we will discuss question number 6 and 9. So let's see what are these two questions. Question number 6 says that there is a narrow rectangular plot. Narrow rectangular plot means this question is talking about a rectangle reserved for a school in Mahole village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. Means this ratio is of length to breadth. Okay. Means first we came to know that this question is talking about the shape of a rectangle. Then we have a ratio of length to breadth of that rectangular plot. Then at the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. That means if you read this line very carefully, you will know that rupees 100 per meter is the rate of fencing and rupees 75,000 is the cost of fencing. So when we will divide these two numbers, we will find the value of perimeter. Means because why perimeter? Because fencing, we are doing fencing in this question. That means this is based on perimeter. So when you will divide the cost of fencing by rate of fencing, you will find the value of perimeter. Then what we have to find out in this question, children? What are the dimensions of the plot? Dimensions means we have to find out the length and breadth of this plot. So let's solve this question, children. First of all, we will write down the given ratio of length to breadth, which is 11:4. Then, as the ratio is 11:4, then length will be 11x and breadth will be 4x, means 11x meters and 4x meters respectively. Then as I told you that whenever the cost and rate is given, we have to divide them. Okay. So after division, we will get the value of perimeter of the plot. So when we will divide 75,000 by 100, we will get 750 meters, which is the value of perimeter of the plot. After this, we will use the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so perimeter of plot which is in rectangular shape is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Now in this, we have to substitute the value of length which we have taken as 11x, breadth as 4x, and we found the value of perimeter as 750. And children, you can see that 2 is multiplied with this expression. So when 2 will come to the left hand side, it will divide 750. So we will write down 750 divided by 2 is equals to. Now 11x and 4x are like terms. So after addition, we will get 15x. Okay. After further solving, we will get x is equals to 25. You know how? Yes. When we are finding the value of x, 750 will be divided by 2 and that will be divided by 15 again. So we are getting the value of x as 25. After finding the value of x, we have to substitute this value of the x in length and breadth. What was length, children? The length was 11x and breadth was 4x. Means in these two terms, we have to substitute the value of x. So like this, we got length is equals to 11 into 25, that is 275 meters. And breadth is equals to 4 into 25, which is 100 meters. So children, I hope this concept is clear, this question is clear. Let's see the next question. Our next question is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Okay, this is the relationship between the age of grandfather and granddaughter. means grandfather is 10 times older, right? Then what is written in the question? He is also 54 years older than her, means the relation is given in two ways. In the first way, the question says that the grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. In the second line, it is given that he is also 54 years older. Okay, this is in numbers, 54 years older. Then we have to find out their present ages, means we have to find out the present age of granddaughter and grandfather. So let's start. So we have to we know that in this question, granddaughter is younger, right? So we'll take granddaughter's present age be X years. And according to the first line, grandfather's age is 10 times then granddaughter's present age, right? So what will be grandfather's age? Yes, it will be 10x. So 10 times of x is 10x. That's why grandfather's age is 10x. Now, we will frame the equation according to the question. Okay, what is given in the next line? He is also 54 years older than her. According to this line, this is grandfather's age, which is 10x. Okay, and this age is also equals to x plus 54. Why x plus 54? Because he is 54 years older, means if the granddaughter's age is 10, then grandfather's age will be 10 plus 54. Means whatever is the age of granddaughter, it will be added with 54 to get grandfather's age. That's why here it is expressed as 10x plus x plus 54. After this, you know very well what to do. Yes, here 10x and x are variable terms. So x will be shifted to left hand side. So it will become 10x minus x is equals to 54. And 10x minus x is equals to 9x. So we got 9x is equals to 54. And after calculation, we got x is equals to 54 upon 9. Because 9 is multiplied with x over here. So when it will come to right hand side, it will divide 54. So further division, we are getting x is equals to 6. Now we have to go to the initial statement. What was x? X was granddaughter's present age. That's why here granddaughter's present age is 6 years and grandfather's age, which is 10 times, means 10 into 6 is equals to 60 years. So children, I hope you understood these two questions. Thank you so much.